Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you lesson 10, the little plant. In this lesson you are going to learn how the journey of plant goes through. Okay, now let's start. Now I am going to read this poem and explain you the meaning of this poem. In the heart of a sea, buried deep so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Means in the center of a seed, heart means center of a seed, a small plant is there, and we sow that seed in the mud, deep in the mud, and a small tiny plant which is sleeping inside the seed. Wake said the sunshine and creeps to the light. Wake said the voice of the raindrops bright. When seed get the light from the sun, sunshine is asking the seed to grow up to light of sun, and the raindrop is also telling plants to come out from the seed. The little plant heard, and it slowly rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Means the plant heard the voice of sunshine and raindrops. It wake up slowly to see the beautiful world. I think all of you understood this poem. Now let us start the exercise in the page number 99. Let us find the answers from the poem. First one, tick the right answer and fill in the blanks. First one is A. The tiny plant lay asleep in the heart of dash, a seed. B. 1. The little plant dash rose to see the outside world slowly. C. 1. The outside world might be dash wonderful. D. 1. The sunshine asked the plant to creep to the dash light. Question number 2. Circle the words that rhyme. So deep, asleep, bright, light, B, C. Now this finishes your book work. Now take new page, draw 2-line headline. Lesson 10, the little plant. Then leave 1 line. First one, difficult words. First word is heart. Write 4 times. Second is buried. Write 4 times this also. Third one, creep. Write 4 times. Now next page. Fourth one, rose. Fifth one is bright. Now leave 1 line. Question 2. Word meaning. Heart means center. Second is buried. It means hidden underground. Third one, bright means shining. Fourth one, creep, move slowly. Then again leave 1 line. Write question 3. Answer these questions. Write in the next page, question number 1. Where was the seed? Answer is, the seed is buried deep in the soil. Now next, leave a line. Question number 2. What was buried in the heart of the seed? Answer is, the plant was buried in the heart of the seed. Then leave 1 line. Question number 3. Who asked the seed to wake up? Answer is, the sun and the raindrop asked the seed to wake up. Now this finishes your lesson 10 copy work also. Have a nice day.